This time, let's try to do some basic editing with R+Block. So we come in brand new, make sure it's Dream. I need some timer, so let's see, I could change it to 2 seconds. I'm going to play some music, so musical scale, hello do. I change it to 2 seconds also. And then I'll just do, well, let's just do some melody. Melody 5. So right now the way it is, you cannot do anything much. If you are using to, you get used to MIT Scratch, usually you can click on each block and it will play by itself or run by itself. But this won't work. So you push here, you say, hey, you have to connect the start block, the block to be run. So I'm just gonna put it here. I'm using the mouse on the screen, so it's ready now. That should do it. Here we go. It clicked to my, it does it, running. So that's low do and play for 2 seconds. Now let's say if I want to do that one, I want to do melody 5 after. But that's just low do for 2 seconds. I didn't hear any melody. Okay. So, and the problem is explained in the book. So we need a timer first to make sure that the musical scale is finished up properly before we trigger the melody. So now we hear low do for 2 seconds, and then we hear play melody number 5. So just show you again, it's already connected, but you connect the device, your BT410 in this menu. The only thing you need to ignore whatever the message is saying in here. You can actually scan and you can see your device. So while we're here, I'm going to show you something else. So this one here is CM151. It's due to come out soon, and it has embedded BLE. So I just turn it on there. That thing happened to be FC, I believe. Scan it. See, it found it. So that works too. So let's see if it will work on the CM151. So on 151 now, let's see. Waiting. Here we go. So it took time to connect. It took time to switch from the CM51 to 151, but it looked like finally worked. So that's a 151 beeping. So it looks good.